So it looked like she was trying to fit a board to the side there. I don't know if she's trying to lock that gate or what she's doing, but I'm sure there's going to be hammering shortly. Because this is what they do, and of course they don't warn you. They just bang, 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 bang. And of course if I was sleeping, well... She's thinking. Thinking some more. Yeah, I think she's trying to make a lock for the gate. Pack it out until she can get a lock there. She wasn't so mean and nasty all the time and letting this guy frequent me for months. I would go down and help her, but not my problem. Not my turd to polish.